attorney, pwede ko bang kasuhan ng qualified theft yung kapatid ko? Ano ba yung penalty sa kasong to?
Hindi mo pwedeng kasuhan ng qualified theft ang kapatid mo kung nakatira kayo sa isang bahay. This is according to Supreme Court rulings based on Article 332 of the Revised Penal Code. It states that in cases of theft, criminally exempted ang family members. Pero kung hindi na kayo nakatira sa isang bahay ng kapatid mo, you can definitely file that criminal case for qualified theft if the crime happened at the time na hindi na kayo same household. Remember that for qualified theft, you can go to jail for up to 40 years without bail. For very serious cases, like if the amount stolen is more than 2,200,000 pesos and the evidence of guilt is strong. The reason why it's called qualified theft is because there are circumstances that aggravate simple theft, and these are: 1, if committed by a domestic servant; 2, if committed with grave abuse of confidence. For example, sobra kang pinagkatiwalaan at ginamit mo yung tiwala na yon para magnakaw. 3, if ang ninakaw mo ay isang property enumerated by the law. And 4th, if you committed theft on occasion of calamity or disturbance, like nagnakaw ka during an earthquake. Remember that in qualified theft, kung merong tiwalang binigay sa'yo at inabuso mo yung tiwala na yon para magnakaw, mas mabigat ang tingin ng batas. And you can go to jail for life, kahit na kapatid ka pa ng biktima. This is Attorney Bernice Piñol Rodriguez. Remember, know your rights and do what's right.